Hello students, today we shall read a new topic. Women change the world. Can women change the world? Yes, women can change the world. This is your fifth chapter of your civics book, that is Women Change the World. Fewer opportunity and rigid expectation. Some occupations are seen to be more suitable for women than for men and vice versa. For example, women are considered to make better nurses as they are gentle and patient. It is believed that science requires a technical mind, and girls and women are not capable of dealing with the technical things. Men make better scientists and engineers. Because of belief in such stereotypes, girls do not get support to become a doctor and engineers. Hence, most of the doctors and engineers are men. In most families, girls are encouraged to see marriage as their main aim in life. In our society, in our present society, all children face pressure from the world around them. Boys are pressurized to get a job always that will pay good salary. Boys and girls are teased if they do not behave like other boys and girls. Here we shall briefly discuss about learning for change. Going to school to learn and get education is a normal for children today. A few centuries earlier, skill of reading and writing was known to only a few persons. Most children did not go to school. They learned to work that their families or elders did. The situation was worse for girls. Even in families, they taught sons to read and write. Daughters were not allowed to attend school or learn alphabets even at home. Even in family where skills like pottery, weaving and craft were taught to son, daughters' role was seen as supportive. For example, in a potter's family, sons operated the wheels always, whereas daughters collected mud and prepared it for their brothers and fathers. In the 19th century, many new ideas about education and learning emerged. Schools became more common and people started sending children to school. Even then, there was a lot of opposition to educating girls. Women had to struggle to learn to read and write. Rasasundari Devi was one such woman who learned to read and write after marriage. At the age of 60, she wrote her autobiography titled Amar Jeevan in Bangla. At that time, it was believed that if a woman learned to read and write, she would bring bad luck to her husband and became a widow. She taught herself how to read and write in secret. She had a great longing to read Chaitanya Bhagavat, which was fulfilled after she learned to read and write.